What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today is Tuesday, and check it out. Whoa, we're in the 180s. Woo! Come on, baby, let's do it. Let's see. So, yeah. Oh my God, I'm remembering the video that I uploaded a long time ago where we just hit 80,000 for the first time, and we're literally up 100,000 more since then. I'm so stoked. I cannot believe it. The market just keeps doing well, and the companies just keep performing, and everything seems to be doing pretty well. I think a lot of companies are still, my opinion, are still excited about the tax reform. They're hoping that they get their tax rates lowered, which will definitely help them increase their profits. They can increase dividends if that happens, and so I think it'll just help investors all over the place if that happens. But let's look at our gainers, and then I have to start editing so we can just kind of check back in the afternoon. But we have Universal Display on top, which is awesome. And then we got Nvidia was up today from what I saw. Adobe. Stamps.com I did see was up today finally. They've been having two really rough days, but they were up today, so hopefully they'll come back. Let's see, we got some losers down here. Facebook, BlackBerry, Bed Bath & Beyond, EA Sports. So nothing really huge. Take a quick look at the watch list to see who's on top. There you go, you see Stamps.com, they're up $3 today, so that's awesome. And then Twitter, Hemp Americana, hopefully they can get back up over a penny. And then we got, so T-Mobile, Potbellies. PBPB is Potbelly. I don't know if you guys ever had that before. It's pretty good. I go there a lot. Got that Perks Reward app, so you can get some free stuff. And then there's AMD, Nvidia. So, awesome. Alright, so I'm just going to do some editing. If anything important pops in the news, I'm going to jot it down, and then we can talk about it later. But I hope you guys are having a fantastic day so far, and we'll see you in a little bit. This guy is saying that the market's been driven by really good economics and not Trump's tax policy, people hoping for it. And he says he doesn't see a recession happening anytime in the near future. So that's exciting. Really hope he's right, man. I really do. And that is awesome news right there. The Dow, S&P, NASDAQ setting record highs again. So it's only 10:17 though, so I'm not going to report too much because it's still early. So we'll see what happens later on.
With just $4,600.
I've been seeing commercials for this guy. He said he started with $4,600 in 2 years. He made that much. That's insane. And I never really believed it. I don't know. But hold on one sec. Alright, so listen to this part.
And now, in my new
about
book,
his championship.
I show you exactly how I trade. I reveal everything, even copies of my brokerage statements.
Chuck just won his 8th International Trading Championship, outperforming the competition by over 100%. And if you
dude, we're beating that motherfucker right now.
Shipping, you can get
we're up more than 310% or 309%. Suck it, Chuck, you little bitch. Holy crap, guys! I have not been paying attention to Weight Watchers at all, but look at their 1 year-to-date chart. Are you joking? I think I just heard him say Oprah owns 10%. Let me double check that. He said it's up over 600% in the 2 years since Oprah got involved. And apparently Oprah owns 10% of the company now. Wow.
Since Oprah Winfrey got involved. One of the things that goes on Wall Street when a celebrity gets it, Oprah owns 10%. When a celebrity gets involved in a company, we roll our eyes. Oh, this is the top. In the case of Oprah, it's different because she's not just a celebrity. She's a celebrity that can actually move the product, and that's exactly what's happening. Plus a rock star CEO. One thing you have going on here is 20% short interest.
Talk about falling asleep at the wheel is what we did. Never even looked at this stock probably in at least a couple of years. I don't even know when the last time I looked at this stock was. Jeez.
I mean, they could leverage your presence on social media. I'm after Oprah.
So, I think they're making fun of that guy because maybe he uses Weight Watchers, but oh my gosh. Have any of you been following Weight Watchers? Comment below, because I have not been paying attention. You know me, I'm into technology. I was not paying attention about Weight Watchers at all. So, if you guys have been, props to you guys, and if you guys have been investing, definitely props to you guys. But comment below, are you investing in them? Have you been investing in them? Are you considering it now? Like, have you heard about this? Did you have any idea? Please comment below. I'm interested in how you guys have been following that stock. All right, catch you guys later. What's up, guys? All right, so we're back. It's 11 o'clock p.m. About to go to bed, but I want to show you guys how we did, obviously, and then I want to talk about some news that I don't have a lot of news, but it's going to be about Tesla, so just going to warn you right now. So let's just see how we did. Alright, so we made some money today, pretty good. We did very well today, actually. We made about $5,300. Real excited about that. And let's look at our top performers today. We had Albemarle up top, and Foot Locker put option did well for us. And Universal Display obviously had the most dollar sign gain. So that was real exciting. Here, let's look at our losers. I'm going to try to go through this pretty quickly. But our worst performers were Sprint and BlackBerry. And then T-Mobile didn't do very well. And then Netflix was our worst nominal loss. But we made exactly 3% today. So can't really complain there. So let's look at the watch list. Hemp Americana finished on top. And then Universal Display and Stamps.com having some good days today. Stamps is starting to make a comeback already, so I'm really excited about that. Here's the second page. Here's the third page. They're already starting to go down. The Dow finished up today, but the NASDAQ did actually finish down 18 points. But the Dow finished up 8 points. So here's the rest of the watch list. Red Robin had a horrible earnings report. I guess they reported they didn't beat on the earnings, like revenue or profit or something like that. And they lowered guidance, which whenever you have both of that happen, it's really bad. And Priceline also didn't do well, as if you probably saw there. So yeah, here's again a look at the top performers. And we're just going to wrap it up from here, and we're going to talk about, we're just going to start talking about Tesla. All right, so I was reading an article with Tesla about, it said like amid like the Model 3 flak, they bought an automation company. So there's an automation company they've been working with for the past few years based in Minnesota, and in order to, I guess, further kind of streamline or improve their processes to build cars, they just bought the company. So they bought the company that's going to help them, because they're with the Model 3, they're trying to actually have it mostly, almost all built by robots, so like by machines. They're trying to like streamline it to make it as accurate and, you know, as consistent as possible. And hopefully this will help them do that. And hopefully it'll give them also like a bigger presence in Minnesota. Maybe they could sell more to customers there. I don't know. But they got a lot of employees there, and apparently the CEO is getting paid like $10.5 million or something like that in stock, in Tesla stock, which I would totally take that. In fact, I'd probably take that and sell all the stock and then just buy options with it, because I really do think it's going to go up a lot in the near future. And I was watching this video from Now You Know, going through the details of the Q3 earnings report, and they were saying a lot of good things that just wasn't getting reported on in the news. The news was mainly focusing on their wide loss, and that's all they focused on. They didn't focus on the fact that their sales for their energy products, like solar cells, like solar panels, and the Powerwall, went up 1,261% year over year. That's just amazing. No one even talked about that. They didn't talk about how the Model 3 or the Model S outsold the Mercedes S-Class by 2 times, and they outsold Porsche, BMW, and Audi combined. Like they weren't really reporting on that. A lot of people were just reporting the negatives because that's what gets the clicks on the headlines. And so after watching that video, and I'll put a link for it in the description below, even though it's probably coming to you really late, but you should definitely watch it, and it really paints a really good picture for Tesla in the future. I'm really still just as much bullish as I am now as I was back then. So yeah, and they're unveiling their semi this month on the 16th of November, so it's going to be a good month for them, I think. I think they're pretty much hit the bottom. Like, they've seen a lot of resistance at the 300 level. Like, they go down, but then they come right back up. I think they're going to go back up a lot more. And so I'm very confident with Tesla. So we're going to leave it at that. But if you have any comments, please put them in the comment section below. And I really want to hear what you guys think about the Tesla Semi and all that stuff. Just post your thoughts. Thank you. And if you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already, and share with your friends. We're at an all-time high right now, so I can't really complain at all. And I think we're only going to go up from here, especially with Apple reporting next quarter earnings. Like next quarter, I think the iPhone 10 is selling really well right now. My brother-in-law and my sister got it. It's just an awesome phone. I really want to get it. And yeah, so I still think there's a lot of room to grow, and that's really all I can say. So thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys had a fantastic day, and we will see you tomorrow.